Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create cinematic text intro in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my CapCut PC application, and first thing first, I'm going to create text video. We can add text to our project. Go to the text and click on the add text, and I'm just going to add, for example, introduction. Okay, and I'm going to change the font guys. Wait, I'm gonna go with this one. Alright, and I'm going to add animation to this text. We can go to the animation menu right here, and then I recommend you to choose the type 1 animation. And I'm going to increase the duration. Okay, perfect. And I'm going to save this video. We can click on export. Okay, and just wait for a moment. Okay, and I'm going to delete it guys. Then I'm going to import the video we have just saved. Click on import. Alright, and I'm going to add this video to my project, and I'm going to add the text video as well, and we can adjust the length like this. And I'm going to blend the video. Go to the blend option, and for the blend mode you can select multiply. Okay, then you can click on the text video and then reduce the opacity. Okay, reduce it like this, around 70, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create cinematic text intro using CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.